Dear friends, good day. Through this YouTube channel, today I am pleased to communicate with you about a recent explosion and fire accident took place in a chemical process factory for making polystyrene plastic foam, in Bangkok. The massive explosion and fire occurred near a chemical, styrene monomer, factory on the outskirts of Bangkok in early hours of Monday on the 6th of July 2021. The chemical factory is located near to Bangkok Airport. The massive explosion shook the Bangkok Airport terminal building. The fire broke out in the early hours of the morning, the clouds of black smoke still emanating from the site late in the afternoon, some reaching Bangkok city. Styrene monomer, a hazardous liquid chemical used in the production of disposable plastic foam plates, cups and other products, can produce poisonous fumes when ignited. Some 50 metric tons of chemicals are stored in 5 or 6 warehouses in the same factory compound. More than 30 fire engines, as well as helicopters, were deployed. Helicopters tried to navigate close enough through the thick black smoke to dump fire retardant onto the fire, with little apparent success. Firefighters were seen making their way through the wreckage to get closer to the flames. Extinguishing the first blaze took more than 24 hours after it started with an explosion about 3 a.m. Firefighters continued to douse the site with water and foam to keep the highly flammable chemical styrene monomer from reigniting, but flames broke out again. Little was left of the chemical factory other than the twisted metal frames and charred remains of its warehouses that were destroyed in the explosion and fire. More than 60 people were injured in the disaster, including a dozen emergency responders, and more than 30 of them were hospitalized. Officials said shockwaves from the initial explosion damaged about 100 houses and 15 cars. An 18-year-old volunteer firefighter was killed in the blaze. The factory manager told the police party that he and 8 staff members were woken from their sleep on the site by a strong chemical smell and fled just before the blast. Authorities evacuated as the factory burned, telling residents to avoid inhaling any fumes and warning that they could cause dizziness and vomiting, and cancer in the long term. Also, authorities ordered the evacuation of an area 5 kilometers, 3 miles, around the scene. It wasn't clear how much monetary damage the fire caused to the factory. Thank you very much for your attention. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about the subject matter, then click subscribe, and press the bell icon. Let us learn more.